Alright, this is the good stuff. You've seen how weak versus strong prompts change results. Now let me give you my personal prompt frameworks. Basically cheat codes you can copy-paste into ChatGPT right now. These will save you hours and make your prompts 10 times more powerful. Here's the first cheat code: roleplay. AI is amazing when you tell it who to be, instead of just weak, explain Bitcoin. Do this. You are a Wall Street financial analyst. Explain Bitcoin in simple terms as if you're teaching a group of college students. Suddenly the explanation changes tone, depth, and clarity. Second framework is what I call CRISP. It stands for clear instructions, role assignment, input, details, style or tone, purpose. For example, weak, write a blog about AI tools. CRISP, you are a tech blogger. Write a 700-word article on the top 5 AI tools for students in 2025. Make it clear, friendly, and SEO optimized. Add a short conclusion. That's how you get premium content. Framework 3. The iteration loop. Don't expect perfect results in one shot. AI loves feedback. Here's the loop. 1. Give your first prompt. 2. Review the answer. 3. Say, rewrite this in a more casual style with examples. 4. Or, shorten this into bullet points for a presentation. Every round improves the output. That's the iteration loop. Framework 4. The multi-shot prompt. AI learns from examples you give it. Instead of saying weak, write motivational quotes. Do this. Here are 3 quotes I like. 1. Success is 1% luck, 99% hard work. 2. Dreams don't work unless you do. 3. Failure is just the first step to success. Now generate 10 new quotes in the same style. Result: quotes that match your vibe. One of the most powerful hacks? Just ask, explain this like I'm 5. Whether it's rocket science or machine learning, the AI will break it down into super simple terms, perfect for students or anyone new to a topic. Framework 6. The hybrid prompt. Combine everything. Example: you are a YouTube educator. Write a 6-minute script about prompt engineering for beginners. Use simple American English, add humor, and end with a strong call to action. Keep the structure crisp. That's like stacking all the cheat codes into one. And that's it. These frameworks are game changers. Remember, roleplay, crisp, iteration, examples, ELI5, and hybrid prompts. Use them right and ChatGPT becomes your ultimate partner. Alright, you've learned the basics, the frameworks, and the cheat codes. But the real question is, how do you actually use this in the real world? Let's look at practical, life-changing applications of prompt engineering for students, professionals, and creators. Students, listen up. A. I can literally save you hours every week. Here's how. Summarize textbooks. Summarize Chapter 5 in 10 bullet points, explain in simple terms. Essay drafts. You are a top student. Write a persuasive essay on climate change with references. Flashcards. Turn this chapter into 20 flashcards for quick revision. This isn't cheating, it's working smarter. Next, job hunters. Instead of stressing for hours, do this. Resume. You are a professional career coach. Rewrite my resume for a data analyst job at Google. Cover letter. Write a confident but humble cover letter in 200 words for this role. Paste job description. Interview prep. Act as an interviewer, ask me 5 tough questions for this position and then give me feedback. It's like having a personal mentor 24/7. Business owners, entrepreneurs. A. I can be your secret employee. Marketing. Generate 10 Instagram captions for my coffee shop with emojis and humor. Email drafts. Write a professional email pitch for my new SaaS product. Research. Summarize the top 3 competitors for this industry and their pricing models. Boom. Instant productivity boost. Creators. This is where AI becomes insane. Script writing. Write a 3-minute YouTube script on AI trends in a friendly tone. Title and SEO. Generate 10 catchy YouTube titles with SEO keywords about AI tools. Thumbnails. Give me 5 creative thumbnail text ideas under 4 words. AI won't just save you time, it'll make your content 10 times sharper. And finally, everyday life. Meal planning. Create a weekly meal plan with 30-minute recipes under $10 each. Travel. Plan a 3-day trip to New York City with budget under $500. Fitness. Design a beginner workout plan for 4 weeks, 30 minutes per day. This is the power of prompt engineering. It's not just techie, it's practical. You now have the skills to unlock ChatGPT's full power. Whether you're a student, job seeker, business owner, or creator, the secret is the same. Great prompts create great results. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe because I'm dropping even more content on AI tools, tech hacks, and productivity every week. See you in the next video.